Hello everybody, my name is QUARMAINE and I'll be showing you how to make sea moss gel. To start, we're going to use about a cup of dried sea moss. We're going to rinse it thoroughly to remove any sand and debris. Once it's clean, soak the sea moss in a bowl of water for about 12 to 24 hours to rehydrate it and remove any remaining impurities. While the sea moss is soaking, we are going to boil some lemons and ginger to add to the blender later. After soaking, drain it and rinse it again. Next, we're going to add the sea moss to a blender along with the lemon and ginger that we boiled earlier. Cover with fresh water and blend to a smooth gel-like consistency. After blending the mixture, pour your sea moss gel into a clean jar and refrigerate it for up to 3 weeks. You can use your sea moss gel in smoothies, soups, or as a skincare product. Thank you for joining us and hope you enjoyed this video. Have a good one.